everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to moisturize a bald head. This will be an easy tutorial for getting soft skin. One thing that I always get complimented on is how soft my head is. As you can see here, I'm a bald man, okay? I have a bald head. I lost my hair at a young age, but what I have going for me that I feel that I've done a good job at is keeping my head really soft and moisturized. And I do that by applying a moisturizer on a daily basis. Now, for many years, I just used hand cream, but then I applied it to my head as well. And it worked really well. But then I actually found a moisturizer, a couple of them, that I use on a regular basis. And I sort of rotate through them. I don't like sticking to just one moisturizer. I'll use one, and then the next time I'll buy a different one. The one that I'm using right now is this one right here. And this is just coincidence that I had this in my car and I had to moisturize my head. So I figured that I would make this video for you. This is actually a L'Oreal Men Expert Daily Moisturizer, but the good thing about it is that it actually has an SPF value of 15, okay? So it actually has some sunscreen in it. And if you are a bald person and if you have no hair on your head like me right here, you need to use SPF on your head, whether you're using a moisturizer and then sunscreen separately, or one with built-in sunscreen like this. Now, SPF 15 is not a ton, but it does do a great job at protecting my head when I'm in the sun temporarily, okay? So this is like my regular everyday moisturizer. This is not what I use when I'm going to the beach or mowing the lawn. This is just what I use every day, and I wear a cap quite often as well, okay? So this is how to moisturize your head. You want to get a little bit of moisturizer. You don't need a ton, just a little bit of moisturizer, okay? I'm gonna just put just a little bit like that. It's usually a little bit smoother than that, but it's cold right now, and this has been sitting in my cold car for a while, so it's a little bit not as smooth as it usually is, but you want to just get a little bit of it like this, and then just apply it to your head, okay? As you can see right here, just rub it on the top of your head. I always like to go into basically 4 parts. So the top of the head is one part right over here, as you can see right there. You want to really rub it in until it's all nicely in there, okay? Okay, then the next part that I apply it to, or the next parts, are the sides. So the first part is the main area at the top, then I apply it to both sides over here, which are parts 2 and 3, okay, over here. You want to go behind your ear as well. Don't forget the area behind your ear, okay, just like that. And then the fourth part that I apply it to is actually behind the head, okay? Which is actually extremely important as well. A lot of people overlook that. But it's very important because that actually gets a lot of sun. The top and the rear of your head get a ton of sun. And also they get a ton of wear and tear, because when you wear a hat, it rubs against the back of your head all the time. Think about that. So you should be applying moisturizer significantly to the back of your head, just like this, okay? And I like, because this has SPF sunblock in it, I like to go all the way down onto my neck as well, over here. Okay, and then what I like to do is get my hands and just really rub all over my bald head. Number one, because it feels good, let's face it. But number two, because that allows me to tackle any spots that I missed. And then I feather it out into like my forehead area here, okay? So that's what I do to moisturize my bald head, okay? Now, like I said, you know, being bald, a lot of guys that are bald, they're like, oh, I wish I had hair. And I don't feel that way, but what I do feel is that, you know, I want to maximize the thing that I have, which is a bald head. You know, with my bald head, I can allow it to stand out by, number one, shaving it smoothly, which I have to shave tonight. It's not shaved smoothly now, but, you know, I did what I could. I wanted to make this video right now. And shaving it smoothly and moisturizing it so it's soft and smooth. The skin on my head will be soft and smooth, just like that. And I do this twice a day. So I'll put my moisturizer on in the morning, right when I wake up, you know, after I brush my teeth and wash my face and stuff like that. Then I usually put it on in the evening as well, because in the evening I'm usually out with my kids playing outside and stuff like that. So I'm getting some, you know, dry skin and some sun hitting my head, and it dries out because of the air outside. So I usually tend to put it on in the evening as well. But that's it. That is how to moisturize a bald head. I've shown you how to get soft skin on your bald head in this simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.